Neeraj Chopra has made India proud again. The star javelin thrower has won the first silver medal for India in Paris Olympics 2024. Neeraj threw a distance of 89.45 meters, his season best throw. Bettering the throw of 89.35 meters he had scored in the qualification round. Now, Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem walked away with the gold medal with a stunning throw of 92.97 meters. Nadeem broke the earlier Olympic record of 90.57 set in 2008 Beijing Olympics by Norway's Andreas. Grenada's Anderson Peters backed the bronze medal with a throw of 88.54 meters. Congratulatory messages started pouring in for Neeraj after he did the nation proud, adding a silver shine to India's medal tally. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to X to say that Neeraj Chopra is excellence personified and that he will continue to motivate countless upcoming athletes to pursue their dreams and make our nation proud. We have some breaking inputs coming in. We're being told that Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Neeraj Chopra, as the Prime Minister in fact has been doing with all the athletes who have won these medals on laurels for India. Now, the Prime Minister has spoken to Neeraj after he won the silver medal. I believe we also have that conversation with us. Let's listen in.
हेलो, नमस्ते सर।
बहुत 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 बधाई आपको।
धन्यवाद सर।
आपने देश का नाम फिर एक बार रोशन कर दिया
जी।
और पूरा देश, मैं देख रहा था रात को 1 बजे भी करोड़ों लोग आपकी तरफ आशा की नजर से देख रहे थे।
बस सर वही है कि जो सबकी उम्मीद थी गोल्ड के लिए, वो कहीं ना कहीं एफर्ट भी लगाया, लेकिन जैसा हमारी बात हुई थी कि छोटी वो इंजरी वगैरह की वजह से वो पुश जो करना चाहता हूँ वो नहीं कर पाया, उसका थोड़ा सा वो रहा।
क्या किया जाए भाई?
वही डिसीजन लेंगे सर टीम के साथ, लेकिन कंपटीशन जो था वो काफी तगड़ा था और ऐसी सिचुएशन में भी थ्रो करना और मेडल लेके आना कंट्री के लिए, उसकी खुशी है जी।
नहीं, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है और आपने तो पिछली बार भी मुझे याद है आपने आपके प्रतिस्पर्धी के खेल की तारीफ की थी
जी।
और आपने तब भी मुझे कहा था कि उसका मुकाबला बड़ा सचमुच में तगड़ा होता है।
हाँ जी।
और इंजरी के बावजूद भी आप ये मैनेज करते हैं, मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारी युवा पीढ़ी को भी बड़ा आश्चर्य होता होगा।
नहीं बिल्कुल सर, काफी अच्छा रहा और वही है कि ये तो सिलसिला चलता रहेगा गेम में, स्पोर्ट्स में अप डाउन्स, और अभी आगे और ज्यादा मेहनत करेंगे और बाकी आगे गेम्स आ रहे हैं तो वो खेल लेंगे सर अच्छे से।
आपकी माताजी भी कभी खेल में रही थी क्या?
नहीं सर, फैमिली से कोई नहीं रहा, पर ये है कि यहाँ हरियाणा में वो माहौल जरूर है खेल का, तो कुछ ना कुछ पहले बचपन में खेल रहे होंगे।
माताजी का जो इंटरव्यू है
जी,
उसमें एक जो स्पोर्ट्स परिवार का स्पिरिट होता है,
हाँ जी,
वो बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से उन्होंने कहा। जब उनको कहा गोल्ड का, उन्होंने कहा वो भी तो मेरा बेटा है। ये स्पिरिट है। मैं तो बहुत सचमुच में आपके परिवार को भी बधाई देता हूँ।
नहीं बिल्कुल सर, क्योंकि
तो एकदम से
ये स्पोर्ट्स में सर वही है,
जुड़े रहते हैं।
हाँ सर, स्पोर्ट्स में अप डाउन वो चलता है। अब ऐसा काफी अपना दिन रहता था, भगवान अपने साथ होता था कि हम गोल्ड जीतते थे, और गेम में वही है कि अब अरशद ने जीता है तो वही है, जिसका दिन होता है सर उसी को मिलता है वो उस दिन, तो जैसा हमारा टोक्यो में था।
तो आएंगे, लेकिन आप लोगों की मेहनत होती है और आप बहुत कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं।
बिल्कुल सर।
आपने इंजरी के बाद भी जो मैनेज किया है ना, वो वाकई बहुत ही अद्भुत है जी। और उसमें तो एक स्पिरिट, मुझे देश के लिए कुछ करना है, वही तो ड्राइव करता है।
बिल्कुल सर, ये भी तो काफी बाकी है सर।
आप मन में से गोल्ड वगैरह निकाल दीजिए।
हाँ सर, अब तो निकल ही गया वैसे ही।
आप बहुत बड़ा गोल्ड है।
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल ये तो सर चलता रहेगा जब तक गेम चल रहा है, तो हमेशा रिजल्ट तो उसी दिन डिसाइड होता है, पर अपनी तरफ से सर मेहनत में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, वो ज्यादा ही करेंगे आगे, और जब तक खेल लेंगे अपनी कंट्री के लिए हमेशा जितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं।
और बहुत नई नई ऊंचाइयों को पार हो रहा। आपने वैसे भी 2 बार ओलंपिक जीतने वाले बहुत गिने लोग होते हैं, उसमें तो आपने अपना नाम दर्ज करा ही दिया है।
बिल्कुल सर।
चलिए, मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत बधाई और आपके माता पिता को भी मेरा प्रणाम।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
और मेरी बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं, और आप मुझे जब भी मिलोगे
जी सर।
हमें इंजरी की डिटेल चर्चा करेंगे।
ठीक है सर, ये
समझाइए
हाँ जी
कि इसका क्या उपाय हो सकता है और हम क्या कर सकते हैं।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
जी
थैंक यू सो मच।
चलिए, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं भैया।
थैंक यू सर, टेक केयर।
अच्छा,
नमस्ते सर।
All right, so that was a conversation between Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who dialed Neeraj Chopra to congratulate him on the silver medal, and also said, when we meet in person, we'll discuss everything in detail. Let me go across to Pragya, joining us on the broadcast with more on this. Pragya, the Prime Minister commended not just Neeraj Chopra's efforts, but also the sportsmanship spirit shown by Neeraj Chopra's mother. He spoke about that specific instance, that specific reaction of Neeraj Chopra's mother when she was asked about Nadeem, and Neeraj Chopra's mother said, वो भी हमारा बेटा है.
Absolutely, and then particular comment by Neeraj Chopra's mother has won hearts of every Indian, I would say, and anyone who will be listening to Prime Minister's conversation with Neeraj Chopra must be having smiles on their face. You know, the kind of interaction that Prime Minister was having with Neeraj Chopra, and at ease, and how at ease Neeraj Chopra was while speaking to the Prime Minister. There was no formality in that, and you know, this is what Haryanvis are also known for. And Neeraj Chopra, coming from Haryana, he's, I would say, he's a true Haryanvi as well. But obviously, the Prime Minister is concerned about the injury. He knows that Neeraj has, has this in heart that he couldn't get gold because of his injury. But he is also very satisfied that whatever he did his best. And every sports person has a day. There are ups and downs in your life as well when you are a sports person. This is exactly what Neeraj also said. But Prime Minister is very keen on knowing what kind of injury and what can be done about this in future. So obviously a very futuristic stand also of Prime Minister, and it seems that Prime Minister was very involved in the conversation with Neeraj Chopra, and he truly knew everything, even about what his mother said. And he also said that when we meet, we'll talk about her injury and we'll also see what can be done in the future. So obviously it's a very heart-warming conversation, and it's a heart-to-heart with Neeraj Chopra and Prime Minister. Certainly it looks like both of them enjoy talking to each other, and this is also a gesture on the part of the Prime Minister.
Absolutely, and he has spoken to all the medalists. Every time we've had that good news of an athlete winning medal for India, the Prime Minister has dialed them, congratulated them, boosted their morale. Thank you very much, Pragya, for getting us the details. Moving on now, one of India's most revered legal eagles, Harish Salve, will be in Champion of Champions Vinesh Phogat's corner when she appears before the Court of Arbitration for Sports today. Vinesh Phogat is appealing against her disqualification from the Paris Olympics. Phogat's legal team has pleaded with the CAS, or the Court of Arbitration, to award her a joint silver medal by maintaining her ranking from day one of the tournament. They say she had fairly won 3 fights on that day in accordance with the laws. The Indian Olympic Association also moved CAS, the highest international tribunal dedicated to resolving disputes related to sports, appealing against Vinesh's disqualification on 2 counts. The first count was to let her weigh in again. This was rejected, and the gold medal match went ahead as scheduled. The second appeal was to award her a silver medal because she had earned in with a proper weigh on Tuesday. The CAS now is going to deliberate on this matter today. Apart from Harish Salve and Vidushpat Singhania as amicus curiae, at the CAS hearing, 4 French pro bono lawyers will represent Vinesh. The verdict will most likely be pronounced today itself, but it could take more days too. Many are hoping that with Salve fighting for Vinesh, there might be a favourable outcome. Some have remarked on social media, Harish Salve is the Neeraj Chopra of his game. Can he achieve a miracle for India and Vinesh? Let's in fact go across to Arunil for more on this. Arunil, people on social media are calling Mr. Salve the Neeraj Chopra of his field and are hoping for a miracle.
Well, certainly yes. Harish Salve, a former Solicitor General of India, a senior lawyer who has basically represented India at international courts in the past, will be representing Vinesh Phogat's case as well. He basically will be representing the Indian Olympic Association. Now, what are the arguments that will be expected from the IOA? IOA in its appeal has said that a joint silver should be given to Vinesh Phogat. They also mentioned about it that on Tuesday, her weight was under control, under the limit of 50 kg. And that is when she basically fought 3 bouts on Tuesday. Tuesday. Because of the pressure that may have gone on her muscle, the muscle weight may have increased, and that may have led to this increase in weight as well. Another argument that is expected basically is that on Tuesday, Vinesh was basically suffering from dehydration, and that is why she was given food and water, which is a very normal case of recovery. A very classic case of recovery was followed for the Indian wrestler, and that may have led for a weight gain. But the IOC basically should give importance to the health of the athletes. They should not be basically starving and contesting bouts and basically wrestle in the ring on the mat. Beg your pardon. All these aspects are expected to be put across by Mr. Harish Salve. One more important, crucial, significant point is that the IOA basically feels that from the stadium to the games village, the distance is more. So basically, Vinesh Fogart reached the village very late, and she got relatively less time to basically cut down on that excess weight as well. So
all right, let's see what the court has to say. Runil, thank you very much for getting us the details.